We will use a plastic trim remover tool like this, and then we'll punch in the tool in that corner right there. We're using this tool to pull out the master window switch completely. There you notice the window switch is out. Now we would need to take out the plugs behind. To take out the plug, what we have to do is press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. There's the first plug taken out. Similar way, we'll take out the second plug, press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. With both the plugs taken out, there we were able to take out the window switch completely. Notice behind the window switch, there's actually one screw that we are supposed to take out using a Phillips screwdriver. There's that screw taken out. Right where we took out the screw from here, there is one more screw behind this cover. We will use a plastic trim remover tool like this and we'll be taking that cover outwards. Once that cover is pulled out, notice right there is the screw. Again, we are using a Phillips screwdriver to take it out. The screw gets stuck there, so you may have to punch in your fingers to take it out completely. Just like that, we got the screw taken out. Now, where the main switch was, on top there is this cover for the handle that we're supposed to take out. Again, we'll be using this tool to take that plastic cover outwards. Just like that, we are able to take this cover out. And behind that cover is the final screw that we are supposed to take out using a Phillips screwdriver. There's the screw taken out. Notice underneath the door panel, there is also that bulb that we're supposed to take out. I will punch in the trim remover tool on the right side of the bulb and then completely pull it out. Once the bulb is out, notice it has a plug right there. That plug has a tab here. We'll press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. There we got the bottom bulb completely out. Now notice from this side of the door, there is some space here. We will punch in our fingers just like that. And while placing our fingers like that, we will just pull the door outwards. Notice just like that, the door panel is loose from the bottom. You notice from the other side, it's also loose and coming apart. Also making sure it's loose from the upper side as well. Now we will grab the door panel and then slightly lift it upwards until it's completely taken out. Door panel is out. Behind the door panel, there is that inner door handle. Just grab the handle from the harness side and then pull it outwards. Once the inner door handle is taken out, with that we are done taking out the door panel completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.